Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, but yeah, you know me as the van guy, selling vans here since 1981. Roadtrek dealer since 1991. And we do have some nice news. We did get a brand new product in today that I want to review with you. It's an awesome chassis, twin or queen bed in the back, and we'll go through it. We're going to start at the rear of the coach. It's got twin beds. You'll notice that there's a little crease that's so you can raise up the head. It's a very nice touch. Got a nice mattress underneath. Now, the bed on the passenger side, you can release it and slide it over to form one big bed. Otherwise, you've got nice twins. There's storage underneath on the driver's side. Coming forward on the driver's side, you're going to see a nice spacious refrigerator. Below that, there's a huge drawer to pull out, and just to the right forward of the refrigerator, there's a big slide out pantry. And right in front of that is your spacious bathroom and shower. Moving up into the cabin area, you'll notice that upgraded leather on both seats. They both do swivel. And of course, the Dodge Pro-Ram has great visibility up front, has a much tighter turning radius than most other van chassis. Both mirrors on the side are operable control from the driver's seat, and you can push a button and fold the mirrors in. 6-cylinder, front-wheel drive, great traction in the snow, 50 miles per gallon. Moving from the passenger seat to the aft part, you've got your control panel right above the side entry door. This houses the 400 lithium batteries, which is our standard on all Roadtreks this year. It's got a power awning, monitor panel, solar package, power step. You can turn it on and off, so it's not going in and out if you're camping and closing the door. Moving afterwards, we have a nice counter extension. Right above that is a 12-volt outlet, USB port, and 110. Got a recessed sink, 2-burner stovetop recessed. Above that, a nice LED light, little microwave, and there is nice storage underneath the kitchen area. And moving just to the rear, you've got a closet area, and then overhead storage throughout on both sides. And right outside the bathroom, you've got a fantastic fan to help exhaust and clean out the air. Hey, Gary.Christiance, want to thank you very much for taking the time to look at the video of our inventory. And of course, if you've got any questions, who would you call? You'd call the van guy. That's me. 541-554-9581. Have a good day.